mehamba usisi wami efika ngakusasa endlini athi cela i-refund imali yami because ngicelile ukuthi uzoperform wena ungenisa abantu about like 12 people and ngenza imali vele nemali ukuthi kumele ngene that time ke ngoba eqiniso ngizokukhuluma la khona waqala mthuka keke wambiza ngamagama buhlungu ngengwabizo lamagama because like crazy wathi wena inganaki lezi zinto all of those like
ubani koqala ukuthuka umunye
unaleto oqala ukuthuka amahle my sister sent me videos. I was like wasonda ama-video amaningi yaweza useyibo this is hectic yo ngistressa nami lento lelo athule amahle aphinde futhi emina amthuke futhi again amthuke ngathi nami mphendule watshelo yimini ngathi nami mphendule ngeke phela mase amphendule kanayo because kubhlungu mfethu like losing a child people or wabe ku situation where they look because abanye abantu abazali wamthuka ngengane yakhe umntana wakhe singane yakhe lezi zinto uthandela yakhe sinte kanjalo and she cried. My sister amakhala ngathi nami ephendula and then that's when akhuluma lento ngoma wakhe.
All right. And now like isinjani ubudlelwane beni njengamanje? Is it something that kusazwana completely kuyaclash nake nasizama ukuthi ngihlale phansi ngikhulume ngakho?
No, we didn't talk. Ayekho into esikhuluma.
Kodwa niyafisa
ukuthi lapho nje kwaba nje la drama yenzakalayo and then uvalo ka decide ukuthi listen, let me just keep quiet now since like agcina ngidelele wathi ngqondo mayithathele. Let's like decided ukuthi no, there's something wrong with the child. Sengimdala manje. Ngeke.
What's over sudden one thing?
That's no, athi ngivele ngithule. Ngiyamthanda. I'm being honest.
That's
I don't
nice.
have a problem.
I love that.
But angazi like umuntu let's say someone ngifike ngokuthuka ungalindele sometimes uko confuse ukuthi hayibo
kanjani manje
uma uzongithuka yabo so and then nami ngathuka because in most cases ngiyabaziba abantu bajwayele bakhona bazama. I feel like there's a team behind
eyamtshela ukuthi
gelela umahuna ke manje so uzotrenda nawe yabo because they know at the time so it's nice ukwazi ukutrenda actually into angiphatha kabi ukuthi afake inamba mu internet and then that's when the story starts and right now angimthembi. I'm being honest with my numbers, so that's why I have 2 contacts le enginoba bengayishare it's fine. I don't trust like mina mfethu privacy is very, very important,